cracking.
Hello, welcome to the exciting third season of 723 Adventure Vlogs. We are flying on an airplane because we're going back to Orlando for this vacation to film the fourth season of Water Slide Motion and possibly the second and third season of Roller Coaster C/D. And we're going to Magic Kingdom, Animal Kingdom, Hollywood Studios, and Epcot, and Volcano Bay. That's the waterfront. So we're on the airplane. It's all dark, and we're gonna be landing in about an hour and a half, and I'm gonna vlog more when we get there. All right. Here we are at the Orlando International Airport. We're riding the APM, the Automated People Mover, just like last year, and landed safe and sound. And you probably know Orlando for world-class theme parks and attractions, but you may not know the other half. It's all dark. It's now 11 p.m. High-tech and emerging medical industry, and vibrant arts. Please, por favor, ceda asientos a pasajeros, asientos o discapacitados. Please yield seats to elderly or disabled passengers. Alright, looks like we're landing, coming down now, so yeah, that was the APM. Alright, we just got off the APM, and now we are gonna get our luggage and wait for the shuttle to pick us up so we can go to the resort. Where we're staying is Art of Animation. I'm gonna show you a little bit of it too. We're gonna stay over there tonight, and hopefully I can film us going in for the first time. So yeah, hopefully I can film more when we get on. Okay, so here we go. We are outside the International Airport, about ready to get on a bus, the Art of Animation bus. And I met my escorts right here, so yeah, this is the bus. This is the shuttle I think we're taking. I met my escorts right here. And it's almost quarter to midnight. So we've got a really exciting day tomorrow. Can't really wait. Alright, we're about to get on. Oh wow, these look cool. Alright, we're here, arrived safe and sound. Now we just need to find our keys, the keys to our room, and yeah, I'll show you the room when we get there. Great, here we are. We're at the Art of Animation. It's the big character off The Little Mermaid. Ursula is what her name is. Don't really like The Little Mermaid, but that's where we are still. Alright, well there we are, a full day later. Didn't do a whole lot of vlogging yesterday. We are getting ready to leave for Volcano Bay, and I just watched the Tim Tracker. Sorry, that's a room right there. We're The Little Mermaid, which I kinda hate that movie, FYI. And then we're going down to Volcano Bay, but we watched a Tim Tracker video about it, saying that a GoPro is not allowed on the rides. It is probably against park policy, just like Universal and Islands of Adventure, to film any of the rides. I was going to have a lot of fun, but I can still have fun without it. So unfortunately, season 4 of Water Slide Commotion has been not happening right now. It's kind of a failure.